Hello everyone, welcome back to Home Decor Day. Are you looking to spruce up your dining space? Your dining table is the centerpiece of the room, setting the tone for your meals and gatherings. Today, we're going to explore 10 creative dining table ideas to inspire your home decor. To make it easy, I added some similar products in the description bar down below for you to check out. I'm excited to share some innovative dining table ideas with you. Whether you prefer a cozy breakfast nook or a formal dining area, there's something here for everyone. Let's start with the Farmhouse Chic style. Picture a sturdy wooden table paired with mismatched chairs for a cozy rustic vibe. You can even add a touch of elegance with a vintage chandelier overhead. Place a woven rug underneath to add warmth and texture. Next up, we have the industrial loft look. Think reclaimed wood paired with metal accents for an edgy, urban feel. This style is perfect for those who love a modern, minimalist aesthetic. This style also works great with brick walls or large windows for more industrial vibes. Escape to the beach with a coastal-inspired dining table. Choose a light-colored table with woven chairs for a breezy, seaside feel. Incorporate nautical accents like shells, driftwood, and blue hues for a relaxed coastal vibe. For a timeless look, consider mid-century modern design. Opt for a sleek, round table with tapered legs and iconic Eames chairs. Add a pop of color with vibrant artwork or statement lighting. This style will add that warm and nostalgic feeling to your living room or kitchen. For those who appreciate clean lines and understated elegance, Scandinavian design is the way to go. Opt for a sleek white table paired with minimalist chairs and natural wood accents. Keep the decor simple and functional for a cozy, Scandinavian-inspired space. If you're looking to add a touch of sophistication to your dining room, consider a glass table. Choose a sleek, tempered glass top paired with acrylic or chrome chairs for a modern, glamorous look. This style is perfect for small spaces as it creates an illusion of openness and light. Embrace the beauty of nature with a live-edge dining table. These unique tables feature raw, natural edges preserved to showcase the tree's organic beauty. Pair it with simple, modern chairs to let the table's stunning design take center stage. Maximize space with a convertible dining table. Look for a table that can extend or fold down to accommodate extra guests or to save space when not in use. This practical solution is ideal for small apartments or multifunctional rooms. Celebrate timeless beauty with our stunning white oval table, the perfect centerpiece for any dining room. Classic yet contemporary, it's sure to elevate your gatherings with style and sophistication. Pair a white oval table with colorful chairs for a playful effect. And there you have it, 10 inspiring dining table ideas to elevate your dining space. Which style is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more home decor inspiration. What would you like to see next? Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!